Life is a series of never-ending initiations.
Ano pa bang hinihintay niyo? Hubad na.
Tell me, Miss Hernandez, if I was to give you an uno and Miss Rivera a cinco, would that be just?
Yes. Shit, grabe. Kawawa naman si Carla. Hindi mo lang hesitate si Celine. Wala talagang sinasanto niya si Celine, eh, no? Maganda, matalino, pero demonita pala.
Hindi lang to basta sorority, Cass. It's power, influence, protection. Ganon kalaki ang kaya nilang gawin sa kinabukasan natin.
I knew I like you among the new dogs. You're ready to fight all of us.
Alagaan mo sarili mo. Yung mga new member na yun, after ng klase, para silang nakawala sa hawla. You don't want to be one of them.
Gusto mong malaman yung totoo, sumali ako dito para sa'yo.
Paano ko sabihin ko sa kanya kung unika iyan niya is gay? What would Mommy say?
Hindi ka Diyos. May pera ka lang. May koneksyon. Sisiguraduhin kung alam ng lahat ng tao kung gaano kabantot niyang ugali mo.